7 Essential Wealth Creation Tips. America is the land where dreams can become reality if you are willing to work for it. For many folks, even maybe you, things are tight right now. With the triple virus threat, the unending pandemic, and the near recession in our economy. This is true for many folks, like 95% of people across the country. But not for everyone. This is the crucial understanding. Wealth creation can be achieved by anyone, no matter the outward situations. In fact, there were more millionaires created during the American Depression than any other time in history. Many people in America and across the globe are living their dreams. But the fact is, the ones you see on TV and in videos online make up less than 5% of the people with actual wealth. The majority of the wealthy population are far from famous. And you may live right next door to one for years and never know it. What about you? Are you interested in moving up into the 5% that make income no matter what the odds? Let's take a look at the 7 essential wealth creation tips. Watch all the way to the end for a special wealth creation opportunity I have for you. Wealth creation tips are needed today for everyone. So how does a person become a millionaire? Tip 1. Creating wealth is all about mind over matter. Wealth creation is 80% mindset and only 20% mechanics. Find ways to stop your limiting beliefs, many that you learned as a child. Some limiting beliefs say to us, only greedy people get rich. Or this, money is evil, and stay away from all evil things. Identify mental blocks to wealth creation and replace them with empowering beliefs that will launch you towards success instead. Tip 2, put higher value on your resourcefulness, not your resources. Have you ever said, I'd be rich if I only had the right resources to make it happen? Actually, what holds people back is a lack of resourcefulness. That means taking action on what you know right now. Also, be eager to learn and try new things all the time. The key to your wealth creation is constantly evaluating what you are doing to see if it's actually working for you. Tip 3, build your own roadmap for success. Do you have a plan to build your wealth? Have you evaluated it recently? How's it working? Is it time to create a new plan of action? Creating wealth is an ongoing process. It takes time and resourcefulness. Tip 4, keep it up. Build momentum. The most successful people in the world are not quitters. They are momentum builders. No matter what you are doing, give your plan at least 6 months of hard work before you even think about moving on to something else. Tip 5, be willing to decrease your living expenses. Make cuts in how you are living and spending today to create more quick income to invest in your business plans and action steps. As I said, great wealth builders focus on both saving money and earning money. Tip 6, invest in your education. Spending money on learning new skills is an investment in your future and well worth the cost today for the rewards tomorrow. Tip 7, step in entrepreneurship. It will be increasingly difficult to become a millionaire if you are not the boss in your work. Working a job just over broke is exactly that. You will struggle to get ahead and end up treading water at best. If you have never taken a step into working for yourself and on your own, now is the perfect time to do this. With the internet and technology tools to work online from home, you can achieve your wealth creation dreams. Hardworking employees do one thing really well. They make their boss wealthy. Being self-employed is perhaps the best way to achieve what this video is all about. This is how you create your wealth so you can live as a millionaire. Subscribe to my channel and click the link in the description or on the pinned comment at the top. I'll show you a simple and affordable way to earn your own perpetual wealth 365 days of the year. If you found this video helpful, please smash the subscribe button and like button and comment. And be sure to click the link for Perpetual Wealth 365. Thanks for watching.